At this juncture, may we ask Samsung Philippines President Mr. Roman Han, together with Mr. Taekyun Kim, Mr. June Guevara, Ms. Dove Cometa, and Ms. Zenny Lastimosa from DepEd to join us please on stage to award and take a photo with our teams for this momentous occasion. Ma'am, please come up stage. I will be announcing the schools one by one, and this will be in an alphabetical order of the name of their school. So once your name or team is called, please come up the stage. First up, from Bansud National High School, Regional Science High School, are the team members Gwyneth Calderon and Jansen C. Abelio, and their advisor Lori E. Malaluan, with their project CNAC, Eco-Sustainable Carbon Dots from Biomass for Bio-Based Solar Light Harvesting. And I think they're joining us online. Hi guys! Congratulations! And we are virtually awarding you your certificate of participation. And don't worry, it will get to you in time. Okay, so let's have a photo with you guys on screen. Once again, congratulations. Bansud National High School, Regional Science High School. Next is from Cavite Science Integrated School with the project Mangrove Health Monitor Mahimo, a solar-powered water quality sensing buoy for monitoring mangrove ecosystem health. The team members Alicia Lane Altea Ramos, Harley P. Bautista, Chassis Miguel Causapin, Eileen Cassandra Tatu, and their advisor, Jeremy V. Varias. Congratulations. Another one is from Cavite Science Integrated School with their project Innovation and Quality Control Segregator. Here are the team members: Adam Uriel Berganos, Jared Cabillan, Neil Julian Caringal, Cedric Del Mundo, and their advisor Marlot Ilaga. Congratulations. Another team from Cavite Science Integrated School. The team members Kiana May Benedicto, Rosella Claire Amat, Jack Zane Esinaj Dakanay, I hope I got it correctly, Juriel Denise Dualan, and their advisor Maria Victoria Derije. Their project Sagip, solar-powered autonomous geolocation and information protocol for disaster mitigation. Congratulations. Now calling on stage with their project Vital Band a Galaxy AI integrated health and disaster monitoring wristband for Filipinos, is the team from Marikina Science High School. Presenting to you the team members Julian Viena Torres Tambuan, Jish Gala, Sarmiento Roca, you had me at my tongue. Zoe Lila Bermisa Rivero, and their advisor, Mary Ann Nolasco Tawai. Congratulations. Next is the team from Pasay City Science High School with the project PlasFix. Sarimax forecasting of rabbitfish catch volume in Pangasinan, evaluating the influence of plastic-induced seagrass decline, with members Darin Buco, Gabriel Antonio Alfonso, Gia May Nadera, Sophie Pauline Hernandez, and their advisor Anne Rose Falcata. Just adjust a little bit towards the center. There you go. Congratulations. Now another team joining us virtually from Philippine Science High School, Caraga Region Campus. Here are the team members: Jillian Pongaron, Adriana Porras, Nathan Ray Butamora, Nessie Ruby Barangan, and their advisor Lyndon Bermoy with their project titled Flood Safe Routes AI, an AI smart route and hazard mapping system for schools. Maayong buntag. From Butuan, right? Or Caraga? Caraga. Okay, let's take a photo with you guys. Virtually. Congratulations and padayon. Right? Then from our next team is from Philippine Science High School, Central Luzon Campus. Our team members Samantha Gil Manaloto, San Ruiz Tapang, Isabella Sabanal, and their advisor Joseph Edney Soriano with their project Shelter, earthquake-resistant precast using walnut and pistachio shell waste for sustainable construction. Congratulations. Another from Philippine Science High School, this time from the main campus, with team members Hiraya Ani Comia, Shekinah Marcel Pugon, and Avisha Marie Fatima Reyes, with their advisor Boone Christopher, how do you read this? Lau. Thank you, sir. And their project, The Sweat Project, The Sweat Project. Congratulations. And last but definitely not the least, from Tuguegarao City Science High School, here are the members: Zeke Rinzen Magay, Princess F. Hue, Ryan or Rian Lay Espanto, Julius James Palatao with their advisor Riza Jennifer Pulido, in their project Bantalay, solar-powered light trap with humidity-based UV intensity adjustment for rice black bugs. Thank you all to our top 10 finalists for joining us here today. You are already winners, right? Let's give yourselves a round of applause once again. So let's take a quick photo with all 10 teams to commemorate this occasion. For this part, I'd like to request Ms. A.A. Abhelina to join us once again on stage, together with our top 10 finalists. So guys, please join us on stage. Requesting the top 10 teams to please come up the stage and join us for this photo opportunity to commemorate this occasion. For the 3rd year of Solve for Tomorrow in the Philippines and its 15th year globally. Flash those beautiful smiles. Wave and smile, okay? Energetic. At this juncture, may we ask Samsung Philippines President Mr. Roman Han, together with Mr. Taekyun Kim, Mr. June Guevara, Ms. Dove Cometa, and Ms. Zenny Lastimosa from DepEd